topic, because it's always a question where, straight after the match he said that he's probably going to retire, and then Kopfer is there, losing a Titan match and maybe saying, okay, well, I could have done better maybe after. But at the same time, tennis is as brutal that, okay, if Kopfer wanted to be in the first round, sorry, he needed to beat Roger. It doesn't matter if he retires after. That's how tennis is. To be in the next round, you need to beat your opponent. I think also the question is that, of course, we're talking about the fatigue, but we never know. Again, Roger is 39. Maybe after the match, he worked with his physio and he felt the pain in his knee or something where he had the surgery. And then he knows that maybe he's going on the next match and he's going to hurt himself and not be able to play for some time. And that's what you know also with experience. That's when younger players can do mistakes sometimes. And so I think altogether, I don't see why he should be criticized. At the same time, I understand people who do it. So I won't criticize him.